So for the AI and human coaching, how do you envision that? Is it going to be 50-50 or more on the 70% AI and 30% human?
So that's an interesting point. So basically what's going to happen is that the human element will be there, but the coaching is going to change. So for example, a coaching might have been just an hour training.
Mhm.
Now that hour training is going to be added on to additional information that the avatar has. So the avatar is always learning, right? So it's not only
Yeah.
learning what the current coaching module is, but what the previous ones were. Now it can take what it's learned and take what it knows, combine that together, and provide an output that's even more valuable than these two things separated. So it has the ability to add value by combining from different nodes of information, right? So now it's able to say, hey, I have new information based on this other information. I can now add to what I have and go from there, right?
Okay. Okay. So there are two sides of the spectrum. So there will be, coaches being better coaches, and then, the people using the coaching
Will be better
program being
themselves.
better. Yeah, will be better, right?
Right.
So
I mean, more effective.
where would you think is the first transformation will come? Is it on the coach's side or the user side?
That's a great question. I think the biggest transformation is going to be on the user side. And the reason I say that is because on the coaching side, the knowledge that they already have a course, they already have a training, they already have a group of modules, right? Now they can teach that in real time and provide those modules to the students that they can access them. What they can't provide is themselves repeatedly, right? So if I
Yeah.
can give you a clone of myself, you can use that clone anytime I'm not there, or let's say my program ends. Now you have the clone, right? To be able to
Yeah.
teach. Okay.
Yeah.
So there's that, right? So that is going to provide more value to the end user. Now,
Okay.
when that happens, our ability to learn, because we learn through different ways, right? We learn through repetition, right? We learn through role play. We learn through we learn through people having conversation. And if that's the case, conversational learning through AI is a very big concept. And I think that this concept is going to improve the retention rate of the material that's conveyed. So
Okay.
what will happen is that now you're going to have someone to talk to. It's kind of like having a friend who has all this experience and knowledge in their head that you can turn them on when you want and say, hey, you know what? I don't know if I can handle this right now. I need some help. And I'm facing this issue I'm working on, be it a sales or human resource or financial or whatever it is. They can talk to this avatar. They can talk to this person, quote unquote person, and they can be themselves. They don't have pressure of a classroom. They don't have
Hmm.
pressure of other people judging them. There's no other people in the room that can point the finger at them and say, look, that's a stupid question or that's a silly question. And that pressure's gone, right? So it becomes very real and they can go really deep and they can ask meaningful questions and they can go even deeper and ask tough questions, right?
Hmm.
Because the
Yeah.
avatar is there to assist them no matter what question they ask. So it doesn't have any, it has guardrails, but it doesn't have anything that precludes it from listening to what the user's saying, right?
You're right.
So there's a lot of
So
value in that.